Hi all, welcome to pantech eLearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Particular kind of system, it is nothing but known as the IoT, known as Internet of Things. And today whatever we are going to see, it is to collect the data, and at the same time we have also should control any kinds of appliances. So here we have the particular same LED section, and we will be using the same DST to monitor the complete data. We will also see that how the live coding is being done over here to integrate the Raspberry Pi sensors with Ubidot. And the coding is also very simple, it's not much complicated, and we'll show you the particular command whatever it should be installed for this particular cloud. If you go for the Ubidots, it is like a cloud. Whatever we have just worked under the different clouds like Google Cloud, ThinkSpeak, AWS, etc. So onto that particular clouds, especially if we take ThinkSpeak, we are having some UIs. So inside that user interface, it is only for visualization purpose, where we won't be able to control, or we won't be able to just make a switch or make some attractive kind of visualizations like that. It is not possible. Then while comparing with this ThinkSpeak, Blink app has been provided, but inside the Blink app we don't have any other options for providing it in HTTP. Like as a web page, there is no such a solution for that. So inside that web page there is no solution, and at the same time the free version is also for a limited range for the values whatever they have provided. But anyway, for creating a project, that is more than enough. I'm not saying that is a complete bad one. But this particular Ubidots, it has a same UI interfaces like different integrations with buttons, and we can create many number of variables, and at the same time we can also collect the data, and it is also possible to view in a live mode. We can also make it as a different color indication at a different stages. So this kind of Ubidots or this kind of clouds if we collect means we will be able to use it for industrial purpose also, for continuous as well as live monitoring. Whereas inside the AWS and Azure, we have faced a lot of issues. Not only that issues, it cannot be said only as a issues, but the thing is we will be following many kinds of procedures. So what are the particular procedures means? Here whenever we are working, the certificates, the connection string, and to deploy that particular cloud itself or the hub, it takes a little bit time. So onto that particular time period, we must create a particular connection strings as well as the certificates over here. So that certificates we have to dump onto the system. So from that only it will be able to read the complete data for matching the security. While comparing these clouds and that AWS clouds, those can be set as high security due to the certificate provided. The same thing if you go for the Ubidots or ThinkSpeak or Blink app means they will be providing only the particular authentication token. So that authentication token means it is not like it is a scrambled number and it is a lengthy one. But while compared to AWS and Microsoft Azure, these things are little bit low in security. But inside that AWS and Azure, we have other options also, like working with AR, VR, working with the digital twin, working with image processing, machine learning, deep learning, etc. But inside Ubidots or ThinkSpeak or Blink app, these kind of clouds, we will be able to work only for one application, which is known as IoT data monitoring. So not other than that. That is the reason many of them are going for the standard purpose in AWS or Microsoft other than these kind of clouds. If you are going to use only for this particular purpose means you can use this Ubidots, ThinkSpeak and all. The same thing if you want to do multiple techniques like storage of database, MongoDB, blockchain, so like that kind of different technology, those who doesn't have any of the system environments, so that persons will be choosing this kind of AWS, Microsoft Azure, etc., including IBM. So these three clouds are widely famous for this kind of implementations only. But whereas this kind of clouds currently whatever we are seeing, this comes under the only for IoT visualizations and controlling. On comparing that, Blink app can be used for the purpose of mobile application. Ubidots can be used for the web page applications. Even Ubidots app is also available, but I am not sure how much it is more user friendly to integrate with all that particular devices. So once when we are working regarding to this Ubidots, so therefore here we have to know this particular command, sudo pip3 install Ubidots. So this is the only command we require for to install inside our Raspberry Pi. Sudo pip3 install Ubidots. The same thing sudo pip3 install Ubidots means it is installing the Ubidots package inside the Python 3 file. So Python 3 and Python 2 both are separate one. So inside Python 3 only we require, because currently we are going only with Python 3 and Python 2 most of the supportings they have stopped. So don't install it for pip, install it for pip3. If you are going to install the same thing inside the Windows means so this is the particular steps, kindly follow that. File open, go for scripts, click on to the scripts, cmd pip. So here why we are not providing the pip means, the reason is here it is already mentioned we are inside the Python 3.7 folder. Pip install Ubidots. So it has been installed successfully. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.